I'm Jerry Watterson, and this is Chef Dennis Jan, and we're the hosts of the Snack Stories Podcast.
Today we have duck tea. In this kit, you get a tea bag, red beans, milk powder, maltose, and a straw. Add your hot water. All right, so our tea has steeped for about 8 minutes or so, I think, with all the ingredients in there, beans and all. And those beans are partially dehydrated, so they do soak up some of the stuff in there. So let's see. That looks like the perfect color. I'm going to give this a try. Fancy straw they give you in here.
Yeah, it's like you're 8. Like you're a little kid again.
Just like I'm 8, yes. It's really good. It has a real fruity flavor to it. And it is an oolong tea. And it's from the Guangdong province. And it's kind of famous in America because it's called duck tea. And the reason why the farmer called it duck tea is he wanted no one to come and steal his cultivar of tea. So he said that he used duck poop just to fertilize the tea and fertilized it with nothing but duck poop. So over 10 years, he developed this cultivar and had this beautiful tea. And now it's marketed as duck tea. Cheers. Cheers to duck poop.
Cheers to duck poop. All right, so we got to give it a rating. What rating do we give it?
I rate this a 10 because marketing is a 10. Flavor is a 10. It's got a really fruity tea, and it's kind of sweet with that maltose in there.
A 10?
Yes, it's my favorite snack.
Wow.
Who knew that my favorite snack we'd have would be duck poop?
Duck poop tea, there you go.
Duck poop tea.
That I would give it like, I'm not a huge milk tea person. I give it like 8.5. It's quite good. Even if you're not a big milk tea person. And to me, that's the thing that makes the difference when you're eating something. Like, if it's not something you'd normally like, I don't really love this category, but you still enjoy it, that to me tells you that it's best in class.
Yeah, it's marketing. I love that about it.
Well, cheers.
Packaging.
Cheers
everything.
to duck poop tea.
Cheers.